Hello there, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another amazing review for you for affiliate case fix, which has gone live yesterday, the 17th of February 2023. This one, in a nutshell, is an educational affiliate marketing educational tutorial on how you can revolutionize your affiliate marketing result with weekly real over-the-shoulder case studies of successful campaigns, the tricks, the strategies, and how they were done to be successful. This is going to be taught by Dimitris the Papa, and you will be able to benefit from his wealth of knowledge with experience from 2012. And this is an amazing training. When you say affiliate marketing training, this is the masterclass of a training. And anybody who really wants to start from scratch to make money online, this may be the very person to teach you how to do so that you can actually scale your income through the affiliate marketing game with proven strategies online. Okay, so this is exactly what this product is all about. And if you are at any point going to want this, use the first link below in my description area. If you are new to my channel, my name is Mike Mbadiwe of the MikeMbadiwe.com. Of course, I do these reviews every day. Other day I upload videos on tools and trainings that I know is going to help anyone to begin to get traction as long as making money online is concerned. So this is one of those proven trainings, over the shoulder case studies of all successful campaigns that have revolutionized the affiliate marketing and made it one of the top earners as long as making money online is concerned. So it's a great one. It's been live since yesterday, so you can pick it up now using that link below in my description area. I'm going to show you also my amazing bonuses that I have for you, which will definitely blow your mind, and you have a lot of them here. And I have another second page of bonuses that I'm going to show you if you stick with me till the end of this review. Now let us see what the sales page is here. This is going to help you, obviously, according to him, and I trust him. I trust him immensely. Elevate your affiliate game with proven strategies online and revolutionize your affiliate marketing results with weekly, real, over-the-shoulder case studies and weekly, real affiliate marketing campaigns, and you have inside knowledge and over-the-shoulder case studies. And you, as a user, if you subscribe to this very training, which I believe is $27 per month, as long as you are interested in continuing. When you learn what you want to learn, then you can unsubscribe, and of course that gives you the wealth of knowledge from Dimitri the Papa, from experience from 2012, and you'll be able to have all those information with you and imagine becoming a master in the game. So that's exactly what you have, and then you'll be able to pick up a copy using this link when you arrive this very page, sales page, using the first link below in my description area. Yeah, that's it. And who is this very wonderful? Newcomers into affiliate marketing industry, entrepreneurs and small business owners looking to expand their marketing efforts, experienced marketers who know the basics but want to uncover golden nugget tactics that will accelerate their results, freelancers who want a proven system for growing a steady stream of more and more better clients. And you have this digital marketing seeking to specialize in affiliate marketing, marketing students and professionals looking to stay current on industry trends, and online content creators actually seeking to monetize their platform through affiliate marketing, startup and emerging businesses seeking to establish a strong affiliate marketing presence. This is exactly what this product is for, and the person who is going to use it. I mean, it covers nearly everything. And who is this not for? This very training is not for, likely it's not for, ideal for individuals or business who are not interested in learning about affiliate marketing or have no need to incorporate affiliate marketing into their marketing strategies. Individuals who are not willing to invest time and effort into studying and implementing the lessons learned from the case studies may not find the training to be a good one. And of course, this very training may also not be suitable for individuals who are not interested in keeping up with the latest developments and trends in affiliate marketing. So you have the pros and cons of this one, but in all the intention is there to teach you if you are ready to learn, because it's not a get money quick scheme that you can just run through, which is actually non-existent, so it's exactly what you have with affiliate case flicks, and I recommend this 100%. Okay, so I will leave the perusal of the sales page to you. When you come, you have actually weekly case studies, which means you have a call online, probably using Zoom or any of the other outlets to actually have training over wherever you are in the world. So it doesn't matter if you are in any nook or cranny of this world, definitely you get access to this as long as you have a laptop, a phone, and of course internet connection. So you have a private Facebook community as well, and you ask and he serves you. That's what he is known for, actually. So this is gentleman who actually had this, and imagine such an experience, since 2012. That's, you're talking about a lot of years put into this. Okay, 11 years of experience is being passed to you over the shoulder. So, and you will find testimonials of this very training, and those who have benefited, you find all those things here, and you'll be able to make up your mind if this is going to be for you. And you see all his products. You see, you have 5-star, you have 3.5, you have 4.5. So you see, if you look at Warrior Plus affiliate arrangement, you see that this guy always has very high marks. I mean, you can see the stars. You see the stars who talk to you about what he's been able to do. So you can get started using this link or any of the other links scattered all over the page, and I will leave the review of this page, sales page, to you when you arrive here using that link in my description area. So that's exactly how we can go on this very sales page. Now I don't have the page for the pricing, but I know, as Dimitri told me, that this is $27 per month, and then you can become a student, and imagine what that means. So now let us see the amazing bonuses that I have for you. I promised my first bonus is going to be Latitude, which is a unique and beginner-friendly spin on push button profits. This is dealing with NFTs, and you'll be able to learn how to make money using digital arts on blockchain exchange. And you have also the second bonus, which is Tweetex, how to get traffic using Chrome extension to any offer or link of your choice. And you have my third Insurgency, which is how to actually master Facebook ads for affiliate marketing. This is, I mean, we are talking about affiliate marketing when we talk about affiliate case flicks, and here you have Insurgency by my mentor John Armstrong and Brendan Nurse, going to teach you exactly how you can master Facebook ads to be able to scale your business using, of course, the case studies you have learned from affiliate case flicks. So you have everything complementing with one another to help you to get traction online. So my bonus number 4 will be Lazy Traffic Sniper. Without traffic in marketing, there is no way you can make money. So if you have a way to automate your traffic in a way that, I mean, it works behind the scenes, and even when you are sleeping, definitely you will be able to make a lot of income, as long as what you are selling is what is going to give value to your audience or to anybody who is interested in coming online. Okay, so bonus number 5 will be the JavaScript commission bot, which is how to make 4-figure daily commissions using JavaScript. Commission bot is a bot system that is going to help you drive traffic. Making money is all about traffic. So definitely when you hear something like this, you know that commissions come from making getting traffic to your offer or your link, including affiliate links most especially. Okay, so you have bonus number 6, lockdown formula, how to start from scratch to learn digital marketing in any niche of your choice. I mean, this was a product that was put down by my mentor John Armstrong when the coronavirus lockdown was in place. So he got the lockdown formula to train people, and most of the people who learned how to make money online today actually did so during this very lockdown. Okay, so, and it was very helpful. Now you have the last bonus from me before we go to the second page, Commission Toolbox, which has over 1,000 different digital marketing tools that you can use online, like link shorteners, background removers, video editors and the rest of them. So you have everything there, and at any point when you buy this product, you will find your product and of course my bonuses on my WordPress account where you purchase this product. After you purchase, under your purchase history, you're going to find a page that looks like this with two buttons. This one gives you access to affiliate case flakes, and here you have this one giving you access to the amazing bonuses that I have for you. So let's see my second page of bonus, and then we'll call it a day on affiliate case flakes. So you have these there. These are all training courses: the ultimate multi-level marketing secrets, list building expert, and you have internet marketing fast start, you have affiliate marketing secrets, you have 30-day to bigger email list ebook, and chatbot marketing mastery and building the perfect sales funnel for you, blogging for profit, and you have email list building blueprint and copyright crackdown. All this I will send to you the second page by email. If eventually when you pick up this product, you just send me email and I will definitely respond by sending this very page, because I can't attach this page to my WordPress account when you have the other page already there. So you have that. Said, let us see how we can wrap it up for this one. If you are new to my channel, I will encourage you to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and use the bell icon for notifications, and I'll definitely be back to you in my next review. Till then, I remain your Mike of the MikeandBuddy.com, coming to you as always from here and from me. From here, guys, it's good day.